Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, guys. Welcome back to another episode about imports. On today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys. I just received my package, my big package from China. You guys, I know there have been delays, especially when it comes to air cargo. There have been huge massive delays, but I thank God we've been able to receive our goods, you guys. Yeah, I don't know what the government wants. I don't know what Zakaya wants, Yeah, according to that memo that I saw, it said that they want to start deconsolidating the goods. You see the way we use consolidators, they will deconsolidate the goods, whereby when the goods get to our ports, they are removed one by one. So it's like they need to tax per item, yeah. So there's no way you're going to be paying per kgs. Let's say you brought in a laptop and I've brought in clothes and we are paying like the same tax, so it's like they want to start taxing per item according to the type of the item, because especially if it's a laptop, the tax is different. If they're clothes, the tax is different. Yeah, so we are still to see how that will be rolled out. Yeah, I'm so glad. I was expecting my package on 19th and I got it yesterday, which was like 24th. So I'm glad the delay was not so huge, and I'm so glad I still paid the same way that we pay, $13 per kg. So I'm super grateful for that. So guys, let's unbox this huge package that I have over here. I'm so happy, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. So guys, I've not opened this package, and these are things that I've never ordered before. So you're gonna be seeing my first time reaction also. Yeah, so let's see what I bought. Oh wow, the quality is so nice. Eh? Allah. Eish. Wow. Oh, there's so many. There's so many. Oh my goodness, look at this one now. What? Hiya, wow. Oh wow. Let me see, I got how many of the, I don't remember I got how many pieces. I'll check on my records. Oh wow, we have many of these, a lot of them. There's so many. Oh wow. These are the magic books, you guys, yeah? These are the magic books. Yeah. So you put some water in this pen and then you're able to draw. Wow. Oh wow. That's so very. That's so very. Let me flip the camera. Yeah, these are the magic books. Oh, these are the two birds. These are the toy cars. Hey, look at that color. These are the two birds. The magic books. Oh wow, what is this? I even almost forgot what I got. Oh, these are the planes. Oh wow. Oh, the planes. Okay, the quality is so nice. Look at that. Oh. Oh, these are the receipts. They are in Chinese. They are in Chinese. Oh my god, this package was huge. Actually, I love these toys. They are so good quality. The quality is so nice. What are these? Oh, these are they are tablets, but they can talk. Yeah, they're tablets, but they can. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys. Whoa. Oh wow, look at that. Hey, my daughter is so lucky to have me, because trust me, she will have like almost one of all these. Oh wow, look at that packaging, you guys. Like they have outdone themselves. Oh wow. Oh wow, I'll show you guys. I'll show you. I don't want to spoil it. Oh wow. These ones are also many. Hey, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. Sasa kazi itakuwa ni kununua Guys, support me. My number is normally down below. You can get me on WhatsApp. Yeah, right now I'll sit down and figure out the prices, yeah, according to even the amount I've paid. But this whole package, as you can see here, was like the things that you have seen here, all of them. It was basically like, let's say 200, like let's say, yeah, $200, yeah. So that's like 28,000. Yeah, guys, oh my god. But as you can see, these are very many things, yeah. These are many things I'm gonna go sell and make good money. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, this is so nice. I decided to try different things, and I'm so glad they have not disappointed me. They're so nice. Oh wow, you guys, I'll show you how these ones work. Hey, even these ones are so cute. Even the guitars. Oh wow, I want to see how these ones look, and how these ones, how this airplane looks like. Let me see if I can open it. Guys, I'm so glad the things that I've brought, they have not disappointed me. The quality is mwah, yeah, and the seller was very good. That supply was so nice, you guys. Yeah, I want to see like these ones. Let me see. Then the package is hard. The package is so nice. I didn't expect the package to be this nice. Whoa! 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 Look at that. Whoa! Oh, wow. Hey, whoa. Look at that massive plane, you guys. Yeah? It has the other things. Oh! You're supposed to assemble them. It comes with things that you're supposed to assemble. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'll figure it out, guys. I'll figure it. Okay. Oh my goodness. I've assembled it, as you can see. Wow, look at how huge it is. Yeah. Yeah, it requires some batteries. Yeah, I don't have that type, so I will load it, and it's supposed kuwaka. But look at that. Wow, it's so huge. I didn't expect it to be this huge. And the quality, wow, top notch. So let's see this other one. It's a tablet. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, so it needs batteries. The 1.5 AA, yeah, that one. Ah, I love it. Oh wow. So guys, if you're interested in any of these products, please check out my number below, or I'm going to link also our business page on Instagram. That is All Things Baby Kenya. I'm going to link it down below, so you'll go there and find these products, their costing, their prices. Yeah guys, yeah, so that we can do the selling to you guys. Yeah, so guys, if you have any more question on things about importing, please do reach me on my number. I normally offer consultations on the same, yeah, at a good rate. Yeah guys, you can be able to receive your package as I've done and be happy as I've been. Yeah, so if you want to learn more and to be trained more on how to go about it, please do. If not, you can go back to my videos. I link a video on how the one that I did on how to shop from Alibaba, that is from China to Kenya, so that you can be able to receive your goods like this. Yeah guys, I'm so happy. At least the products are top notch, they are good. These ones will sell very well. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next one, bye bye.
那一刻，我就对你一见倾心，相信命中注定，就这人一矫情，这一阵子难忘。说什么情深似海，我却不敢当。最浪漫不过与你并肩看夕阳，我心之所向。